to my channel. My name is Ewelina and welcome to another video of mine. Today is part 2 to how to tell time. So if you have not seen part 1, I highly recommend for you to go to this link right over here. Check out part 1 because you need to know how to say numbers before you start telling time in Polish. So after you do that, then you come back to this video and then we're going to study together how to tell time part 2. But before we start, you already know, if you are not my subscriber, please subscribe to my channel, ring that little bell so you get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. If you would like to follow me on any of my social media, they're right down in the description down below. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get started. So at this point, you should already know how to say time, how to say the numbers from pierwsza godzina, druga godzina, godzina trzecia, czwarta, piąta, szósta, siódma, and so on till the 24, till midnight, północ, 24. Okay, so now if you would like to say it is 10 after 10. 10 in Polish is dziesiąta, 10 o'clock, dziesiąta. After 10, okay, how to explain it? See, it's really hard to explain that. Okay, 10 after 10. So you say 10 po dziesiątej. 10 po dziesiątej. 10 after 10. So first you say the number, which is 10. Then you say after, po, and then dziesiątej, the hour. 10 po dziesiątej. Jest 10 po dziesiątej. If somebody's asking you like, what time is it? It's 10 po dziesiątej. It's 10 after 11. You say 10 po 11. 10 po 11. 11. Jest godzina 11. It's 11 o'clock. But if you want to say 10 after 11, you'll say 10 minutes. 10 po 11. Okay, one more example. So 10 after 12. You'll say 10 po 12. 12. 10 po 12. So godzina 12, it's 12 o'clock, godzina 12, but 10 after 12, 10 po 12. Jest 10 po 12. Która jest godzina? Jest 10 po 12. Jest 10 po 11. Jest 10 po 10. You got it? Can we move on? Moving on. So, now you want to say 15 after 10. So, you could say, well, okay, hold on. We can say 10:15. 10:15. How would you say it? You say 10:15. 10, 10, 15. 10:15. 11. 11:15. 12. 12:15. 13. 13:15. Która jest godzina? Jest 13:15. Jest 14:15. So anything 16, 17, 18, 15. You don't change nothing. Okay. If you would like to say it's 15 after 10, then you say similar to what we just studied. So you would say jest 15 po 10. 15 po 10. 15 after 10. 15 po 10. 15 po 10. 11:15, you'll say 11:15. jedenasta, 15. But 15 after 11, you say 15 po 11. 15 po 11. 15 after 12, 15 po 12. Jest 15 po 12. Jest 15 po 13. So either way you say it, it's correct. It just, you can say it the way you want to say it, but also you might hear two versions of people saying. Somebody say it's 11:15, jest 11:15, or you can hear someone saying it's 15 po 11. It means the same thing. It means 11:15. It's just said in a different way. So now we're gonna go to 10:30. 10:30, 10:30. 10:30. 10:30. You do have to know all the numbers. So if you haven't checked out my numbers video, go check them out right here. I'll put the links down over here or down in the description below because you need to know a lot of numbers. So 10:30, 10:30. 11:30, 11:30. 12:30, 12:30. 13:30, 13:30. 13:30. So you can say, what time is it? 10:30, 10:30. Or you could hear someone saying, it is, how do you say that in English? I don't even think there is anything that you can say in English. It's almost like if you would say like it's 30 till, it's 30 till. So for example, 10:30, 10:30, but in Polish, you can say like 30 till 11. It's 30 till 11. So in Polish, you say wpół do 11. Wpół do, that means the same time. That means 10:30, but said it in a different way. Wpół do 11. So you don't say like the 30, you just say wpół do, meaning half till. It's half till 11. Half till 11. Wpół do 11. Wpół do 11. Okay, same thing with any other number. So let's say 12:30, 12:30, or you can hear someone say 30 till 1 because it's 30 till 1. So wpół do pierwszej. Wpół do pierwszej. Wpół do drugiej. Wpół do trzeciej. Wpół do czwartej. Wpół do piątej. Wpół do szóstej. Siódmej. Ósmej. Dziewiątej. Dziesiątej. 11, and so on. So there's different ways of saying time in Polish. That's why this video is in two parts, because it's really hard to explain, and I'm sure it's even harder for you guys to understand what I'm saying. So another example. We'll go into 10:45. 10:45. In Polish, you say 10:45. You just say the numbers. 10:45. 10:45. Jest 10:45. You can just say 10:45. Or you can, same with any other number. So 11:35, that's 11, 45, 12, 12:45, 16:45, anything. Any number you can think of, it's that number 45, which means 45. Or you might hear people say quarter till, the other number, like quarter till 10. Quarter till 10, you'll say za 15:10. Za 15, which means 15. 15 till 10. 15 till 10. Za 15:10. Za 15:10. Okay, same thing, but 11. So 10:45, 10:45, or 15 till 11. Za 15:11. Za 15:11. Again, Next number is 12. Za 15 12. Za 15 12. Za 15 pierwsza. Za 15 druga. Za 15 trzecia. And it goes on. You say it the same way, you just change the number of the hour. Same goes for 10:50. 10:50, you'll say 10:50. 10:50, it's a number, 50. 10:50. But this is 10 minutes, 10 till 11. So you could hear people say, jest za 10:11. So, za 10, number 10, za 10:11, an hour, godzina. 11, 10 till 11. Za 10:11. Some people even say like, za 10, like what time is it? Za 10. Za 10:11. And then you start changing the number. Za 10:12. Number, I'm saying like an hour. So za 10:10. Za 10:11. Za 10:12. Za 10:13. Za 10:14. Za 10:15. And goes on and on and on. Za 15, that's quarter till. Za 10, 10 till. And then we have za 5, which is 10:55, 10:55, 10:55, number 11:55, 12:55. Or you can hear 5 till, it's 5 minutes till, the hour. So you will say za 5, za 5, za 5:10, za 5:11, za 5:12, za 5:13, za 5:14, za 5:22, za 5:23, and so on. So as you can see, this is not the easiest lesson, and it's not the easiest for me to explain, and I'm sure it's not the easiest for you guys to understand, but practice, practice, practice makes perfect. So let's go over from what we learned from this lesson. We started with 10:15, which means 10 after 10. It's 10:15. 10:15, 10:15. And then you say 15 po 10, which means quarter after 15 after 10. 15 po. 15 po 10, 15 po 11, 15 po 12, 15 po 13, 15 po 14, and so on. Then we go to 10:30, 10:30. You can say 10:30, jest godzina 10:30, or you can say 30 till 11, which you say wpół do 11, wpół do 11, wpół do 12, wpół do 13, wpół do 14, wpół do 15, which means half till 12, half till 11, half till 10, half till, wpół do pierwszej, wpół do drugiej, wpół do trzeciej, wpół do czwartej. 10:45, 10:45, 10:45, or quarter till 15 till, you say za 15. Za 15, 15, 15, za 15, 10, za 15, 11, za 15, 12, za 15, 13, za 15, 14, za 15, 15, and just any other number, it's the same. You're saying it the same, just changing the hour. Lastly, we have 10 till, za 10, 10 till, za 10, za 10, 10, za 10, 15, za 10, 14, za 10, 17, and 5 till. 5 till, za 5, za 5, 5, za 5, 10, za 5 jedenasta, za 5 dwunasta, za 5 five till, za 5. You can also say 5 po. Po means after. So you can say 5 po 10, 5 after 10. 5 po 10, 5 po 11, 5 po 12. Alright, you guys, I know this wasn't the easiest lesson, but please practice, and one day, I promise, all of it will start making some sense. I know this language in general is so hard to learn, and I give all the prompts to you that you even are willing and you are actually sitting here and studying with me this such a hard language. I have a lot of respect for you, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. If you would like to follow me on my social media, please do so in the description down below. There's Instagram. I'm more active on Instagram than anything else, but I also am active on Facebook. There's a face group also that you can sign up. And yeah, thank you so much for being here with me and practicing, and I will see you guys very soon. Check out part 1 if you haven't seen it. But pozdrawiam serdecznie, do zobaczenia wkrótce, kochani. Bye, cześć!